Hey geeks, so today I want to talk about something that's really important, and I feel it's something that every creator should have, and that's quite simply backups. And so many years ago, I didn't really think too much of it. I thought things are going to be okay. But then I ran into a day where my hard drive was corrupted, or there was a crash and something happened to my data, or maybe I had some virus or malware, or even I actually had physical damage where I accidentally spilled something on my computer and it fried everything, and I basically lost all my data. So ever since then, for more than 20 years now, I've gotten to the habit of backing things up. And back then, I would used to back things up on CD discs and then later DVD discs. And now I basically started using these external drives, and I have been using these for many years now. And I also have those larger external drive, mainly the Western Digital. And eventually, I will definitely move over to something even more complex like a NAS, which is a network attached storage. And that's probably where I'm gonna stop when it comes to storing stuff. And I know there's also cloud-based backups, but at least for me, I would rather have something physical that I could actually control. But who knows what's gonna happen in the future. And if you are just starting out as a creator, I highly recommend that you have some type of backup schedule, whether it's going to be weekly, monthly, or in some cases like myself, I back up daily. And so every day I use this software on a Linux Mint that allows me to actually sync things up. It's called GR Sync. And I could also do things automatically as well. But for me, I still prefer to do things manually, knowing that I do have backups. But eventually, especially when I set up a NAS, I'll probably have things back up automatically. And whenever you have a NAS, you normally have some type of RAID setup where you have multiple redundancy and also the whole continuous backup solutions. And so that's something that I feel that everybody should definitely think about and should do, because once you run into the day where something happens and you lose all your data, well, that's going to be the day when you say to yourself, I should have had a backup or multiple backups. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And if you did want to see more of my YouTube journey videos, I do have an entire playlist. I'll leave that in the description area below. Hey geeks, if you are a brand new creator and you simply want something easy to get you started, well, I got something for you with my Creator Starter Kit. This is a super simple step-by-step guide that's going to take you from having no channel to developing your very first YouTube channel, along with ideas, thumbnail designs, and other creator tips, including marketing. And the best part is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and get started creating.